today we have two games lined up. The first game is Decode with Gen Z slangs. ये लोग Gen Z slangs के मतलब बताएंगे and we have audience right in front of us.
Hi guys.
They will give them the points and whoever's the winner at the end gets the hamper.
Nice. I'm very old school, guys.
Oh, so this game is pretty tough for that. Whoever knows the answer, city बजा देना.
ये बता देंगे.
First slang is beef.
I don't know, but मुझे बजानी थी तो बजा दी मैंने. Beef, 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 beef.
बोलो ये तो गलत है. You got
No idea. Sorry.
I can give you दो rappers के बीच में जब beef होता है basically. You might have heard Divine and
Oh, that is beef.
yeah, that's a beef.
Oh. I'm
Like Barsha and Honey say. Yes, that's a beef.
It's a beef.
That's a beef.
Yes. Okay, my second word is crib.
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 No idea of crib.
Maybe.
Easy one, easy one. Try it.
Wait. No, I don't know.
Crib is a house.
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 भाई हम Gen Z नहीं
We are not. Are we Gen Z?
Gen Z.
Are we Gen
Are
Z?
we
Yeah.
Gen Z?
Okay, so third word is grind.
Grind. I know the real meaning of grind, but what is it in the term of Gen Z?
Working hard.
Oh yeah, grinding, man.
Yeah, grinding.
Yeah, I mean, you're grinding. Got it.
हम सीख रहे हैं हमें आंसर देना है यहाँ पे.
Next word is noob.
Noob. Yeah. जिसको कुछ नहीं आता है is very noob in that. Noob, yeah, that one no. 1 point, guys. 1 point. जीत गया मैं.
क्या ऐसे क्या?
Our next word is kicks.
Kicks.
मैं दो आंसर्स थे. किसी की टांग खींचना kind of something.
नहीं.
No.
Your kick. It's मतलब it's
It's for
when you get something excited or that gives you a adrenaline rush or something, dopamine release or something.
Okay, yeah,
Gives
that's
kick.
also a Gen Z slang. That's also one meaning. Oh, but you're right.
I'm right, yeah.
Yeah, but second meaning is shoes.
Shoes.
Kicks.
Kicks, of course, yeah. Jordan. But I'm right, right?
Yeah, you're right. Like, that's not a wrong answer too. Our next word is homie.
person who feels like homes. Like
Yeah, that's great. Yeah, that's so.
Yeah.
You got the first.
Homie, that's good.
Our next word is Riz.
This is like I know the meaning, but it's like to get really excited about something, or it's like that's kind of-
Patana.
Yeah.
Wrong answer, right? Wrong answer. Excitement, pata nahi,
Excitement for a person, basic.
Oh, she didn't say the person. Excitement is you didn't say the person. I mean, it's wrong answer. Wrong answer. Wrong answer. What do you say? It's a wrong answer, right?
It's wrong answer.
Wrong answer. Yeah.
What is sus?
Suspect. I mean, very suspicious.
Correct.
3-1, guys, audience.
Our next word is flex.
To show off something.
To show off something.
ले कर ले flex. कर ले flex.
You're flexing your points. Like
So guys, that's the end of first round.
Love you guys. Samir always loves you and Himanshu also. Just
And now we are moving on to the second round of the game, which is Never Have I Ever with Spicy Pani Puri. I'll ask them few questions. अगर उनका answer yes है, so they'll eat the pani puri and let us know कि उसका reason क्या था. And remember, it's a very spicy pani puri. Never have I ever borrowed something and never returned it.
that could be a small thing also, right?
Yeah, whatever.
I'll say
Yeah.
these pants.
अच्छा. Who did you borrow?
I was about to wear something else. Then somebody said that will look more formal, so go some the casual stuff. So I was coming home, I have to buy something. I called my friend. I want those pants that you have. So I borrowed them and now I'm loving them.
Oh, that's great. That's great. No, these are great pants.
I know. Yeah.
I borrow my chachi's clothes.
Okay.
And never return my chachi's clothes. And as a sub, because her dressing sense is so good.
You be unique, eh?
No, this is mine.
Never have I ever blamed my mistake on someone else.
I guess also not get it. I
Never?
always accepted my mistakes.
So I've done. I mean, I'll first say the answer. Recently when we were shooting, I forgot my lines and then फिर वहाँ पे कट हुआ था और फिर मैंने ऐसे बोला कि सर ये अपनी लाइंस भूल जाती है, लाइन भी याद है रखी इसको क्या बस कि मेरी लाइंस क्या थी वाली.
उसके बाद ये बोला कि ये लाइन भूल गई, उसके खुद जाके स्क्रिप्ट देख रहा है. लेकिन एक सेकंड, लाइंस तो मैं भूली थी, स्क्रिप्ट तुम क्यों देख रहे हो?
अब भूल ही गई थी बट मुझे भी याद करनी थी.
Never have I ever cheated in exams.
Of course, always.
Exam, yeah, okay, whatever. Yeah.
Like that only.
I've cheated also और फिर मैं पकड़ा भी गया था.
Was it like a proper exam or?
Proper exam. I was in the pre-boards of 10th and किसी ने मुझे चिट फेंकी ऐसे. वो चिट मेरे पास आई. टीचर मेरे पास आके बोलते हैं कि क्या है ये, दिखाओ. मैं कहा सर ये तो पता नहीं पेपर है या नीचे गिरा, तो मैंने तो उठा के ऐसे देखा. तुम चीटिंग कर रहे हो एग्जाम में, प्रिंसिपल को बुलाएंगे, ये करेंगे. फिर मैं प्रिंसिपल ऑफिस गया. फिर देयर इज अ स्टोरी दैट प्रिंसिपल सर की जो आई डोंट नो आई हैव टू से दिस और नॉट.
Sign.
उनकी बेटी हमारी इस क्लास में थी, मेरे जस्ट बगल में बैठती थी एंड ही नोज कि शी चीट्स फ्रॉम माय शी. मुझे लगा कि अगर
Here's the plus point.
अगर इसे कुछ बोला तो वो फिर नहीं लिख पाएगी एग्जाम, तो उन्होंने बोला ठीक है बेटा प्री बोर्ड से जाओ.
I had cheated, but in the periodics only, but I never get caught.
Never got caught.
But I'm true, right? I never get caught. So clever.
That's great.
We are true, actually.
Never have I ever forgotten someone's name right after meeting them.
I have that biggest problem in my
Same.
life. And he also knows that.
I have a good memory, I don't do that. तुम्हारा हो गया हो तो आंसर बता दो.
नहीं, I forgot people's name. मतलब एक हमारे साथ हुआ भी था, जब हम लोग सेट पे थे, हम लोग किसी से मिल रहे थे.
ओह हाँ,
हाय तुम बताओ ठीक.
बता.
प्लीज बताओ.
वो इतना प्यार से आके मिला कि आपको याद है हम लोग प्रीमियर पे मिले थे ये और भी ऐसे.
हाँ वो अरे याद है.
And then जब वो
Lost. और वो इतना
blank.
मैं क्या सर हाँ याद है मुझे, आपने मुझे एक डिटेल याद है कि उन्होंने मुझसे क्या बातें की. मैंने बता रहा हूँ आपको याद है, आपका बिजनेस कैसा चल रहा है, मैं वो पूछ रहा हूँ उनसे. और ये हम लोग मिले थे, हम आपको आपस में जानते हैं. मैं क्या हाँ भाई.
Never have I ever lied about being busy to go to shoot.
To go to a shoot.
Never.
Never.
No, never.
Any sick leave or anything.
No, never. Never
For
ever.
auditions I have said but not for the shoot.
Even when we are sick, we still shoot.
Never have I ever taken ugly photos of my friends on purpose.
Oh my god,
Always.
that's the
You're big.
that's not taken never.
मेरा फोन भरा हुआ है इसके फोटोज से, बहुत अगली फोटोज से.
नहीं तुम खा के दे रहे हो.
So you guys click like each other's photos mostly.
Yeah. Actually she clicks very good pictures of mine. तो पता नहीं कैसे. When I'm good looking also, that's the most important way that. No, but she has a very good sense of clicking pictures. So अच्छी photos खींचती हो.
उसके जितने भी फोटोज और वीडियोस होते हैं वो सारी मेरी तरफ से.
अभी जो मैंने आज ही जो रील डाली वो भी इसी ने बनाई. कल जो डाली. It's good.
Never have I ever regretted sending a text message instantly. Like एक message भेज के directly regret किया.
This is new, but I have this.
I have done.
I've texted a friend like लो उसने मैसेज किया I just was like नहीं यार इतनी जल्दी नहीं करना चाहिए था मैसेज. तो it's like कि ठीक है हो गया.
Or sometimes when you get audition and you send your message to casting director
Yeah.
कि मेरा हुआ क्या, या फिर डिलीट करते हो अरे यार इतनी जल्दी क्यों पूछ लिया.
Never have I ever revealed a secret of a friend to another person.
Never.
You did.
Not a secret actually, but to a friend, to a trusted friend only.
Yeah.
Not to like any.
That's a wrong thing also, no?
No. Well, actually, she told me to tell them. So it's not like कि मैंने जानबूझ के ऐसे like.
No, then it's not a secret.
Yeah, like
If,
it's not a secret, but yeah.
if she tells you to tell someone, then
Yeah. So it's like okay.
So that was it, guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed it.
Yeah, we really enjoyed it.
Ready for more questions so that I will have more on the pass.
It's time for audience to give us scores and decide who's the winner.
You guys love me.
I mean, give her eyes like it's fine.
So guys, we finally got the scores जिसका हम बहुत देर से इंतजार कर रहे थे, and the winner is Himanshu.
I know that.
But you were very close. If you don't believe me, we'll share maybe a time.
Okay.
But it's actually great. Congratulations.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, man.